Hello, my name is Brian Kim, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your garage remote. So first, as you could see, my garage lifter is LiftMaster, and my parents and our garage remote didn't work, so we threw it away. Then we needed a new one, so then we bought this universal garage remote, and I'm going to teach you how to program it and how to use it. Don't worry if you lost it or broke it. You can fix it under $30 to $50, and you can do it very fast. So here's the garage remote. As you can see, I just opened the top up right here, and for me it says the yellow button here is the thing. So first it told me to hold this down for around 15 to 30 seconds. I'm gonna do that until I get a stable light right here. Let me try to do this first. So as you can see, it just worked right here, and I'll press it again, and I'm gonna try it right now. It just connected to this right now. It's really that simple. You just need to press that button and connect it with this, and I did this under 1 minute. So let's say you have two garages with only two buttons, and I'll teach you how to do it with two garages too. So guys, here's the second garage. We just worked on that garage right there. Now we're gonna work on this garage. So I'm gonna show you how to open it. You want to put your hand here and just pull here, and then it'll come out. Then you want to lift this up right here, and then you want to push this yellow button. So push this yellow button, then that little light should come on. And I'm gonna take this, then hold it. So as you can see, it just worked. So for the bottom one, it's the top one, and the right one's the top one. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I helped you with setting up the garage remote. So if you lost your remote, don't panic at all, and just watch this video and learn how to do it. And please subscribe to my channel. It really helps, and don't forget to like it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. Thank you.